This is a model of the liver, and if you wanted to look at it the way it sits in the body, which is the way you usually look at models, you would have to turn it like this, and then the stand is in the way. That's actually the way it should sit in the body, so that's kind of annoying. But so if this is the anterior side of the liver, we've got the right lobe here, which is the largest lobe. And then the left lobe is here. And down the center is the falciform ligament, right? But now I'm going to turn the liver over. And this is an inferior view of the liver. I'm going to try and move these models out of the way. Okay. And it's also flipped. So in order to tell which is the right lobe and which is the left lobe, you need to kind of turn the model and see, okay, well, the biggest lobe is the right lobe, so that's here. And then the left lobe is over here. So then you flip it. And that means that this is the right lobe and this is the left lobe. And under here you see tons and tons of blood vessels, and sure enough, the liver is extremely vascularized. And then this is the gallbladder. The gallbladder is always represented as green because even in real life, it does look green, and bile is green and stains it and turns it kind of looking green. Here's the falciform ligament here. And there are two more lobes that I need to point out. This one is between the falciform ligament and the gallbladder, and can't you see it kind of forms a four-sided rectangle, right? So we call this the quadrate lobe. Quad means four. And then this is like a bump. It's a lobe, and it's in between. This is the inferior vena cava, but you don't have to identify that for me. But this lobe kind of has like a bump to it. See, I'm just trying to make you see that it forms sort of like a bump. So this is called the caudate lobe.